you guys. I never know. I feel like I always say good morning and then I don't know how to start it. So it is Monday morning. So we're actually doing a Monday chit chat today. I'm in the office as per usual. And I guess I'll just kind of talk about a little bit what's going up this week. So last week, sorry, I'm like a little scatterbrained. It's like 7:30 and I'm eating my breakfast. I have like a little muffin here and my decaf green tea. And yeah, but I'm trying to like focus in, you know, after like the weekend and you're just like kind of like scatterbrained. Honestly, every morning I'm a little bit scatterbrained. I have to like come in and sit down and really like think things through. Like, okay, what do I need to do today? Where do we leave off? I came in and I was working Saturday, so I shouldn't be having this much trouble, but I am a little sleepy today. So last Friday I put up the October monthly kits. We had 2 of those that went up, and then I think I put up something else too. Why can't I remember what it is? I'm telling you guys, I'm like so tired today. My eyes are like, I just have to wake up a little bit. And remember, I put up the September mystery kit. So the October monthlies and September mystery kit went up last Friday, and I was so excited for those because the September mystery kit is so pretty. It's really, really pretty. I feel like I didn't do like enough like promo and stuff about it on Instagram because like, I don't know. I just feel like I didn't talk about it. I feel like I haven't been on Instagram that much anyways, just because it's been so hectic with the move and everything. And it's been like a long process of this move. We just turned in the keys in on Saturday, so it's just, we've been honestly moving like every night after work still. Like, not now, but like we were up through the week last week. And just trying to like sell stuff and get rid of stuff. We really kind of like, yeah, it was like a last minute kind of thing. So, yeah, so we just finished that. We still haven't even like unpacked our place completely. We've started, but we feel like we just moved in really because we just got our sink and dishwasher hooked up to work again finally. Well, honestly, it was never hooked up since we got there because they had installed the dishwasher incorrectly because it's like a remodeled unit. They just remodeled it. The building's really old, but they just remodeled the unit, and so they forgot to, I think I talked about this in one of the videos, they forgot to hook it up properly. Not forgot, they just didn't hook it up properly, and so it flooded our part of our unit and it flooded like the downstairs unit really bad. So I felt bad for them, but like we never even used the sink or the dishwasher because it literally happened the day we moved in. And so we just got our dishwasher and sink hooked up last week, which was almost 2 weeks after we moved in. So we finally get to actually have access to our kitchen now, like 2 weeks later. And so we still haven't finished unpacking any of the kitchen stuff, and that's like the majority of my stuff. I love cooking and I love like kitchen items. So yeah, I have a lot of that stuff. So it's all like in our guest room, which is fine. It's fine in there. We don't really see it, but I do need to get that unpacked. And then, okay, so this week, I don't know where that tangent came from, but this Friday we have a few new releases. Okay, so no, we have a restock. I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. We have a restock of the Viv Luvs To Plan collab, the Planner BFF. You guys really liked that kit, so I'm so excited. I'm so happy for that. So I had a lot of questions about restocks, and so I scheduled a restock for this week. We're doing restocking the whole collection, the mini kit, the full kit, the ultimate sheet. I even still have some of these left over, which I'm not really sure. I feel like they must have gave me a lot extra than I thought because I ordered 200 of them, and I feel like we sold a lot more than that. So I don't know, but I have a lot of these extra postcards that I was giving away free with the orders. So the first however many there are here orders on Friday of the restock will also be getting these. There's not a ton of them left, but I'll show you guys. It came like there was a lot, but there's not a ton of them left. So if you really want one of these, I recommend ordering at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this Friday when they all go up. And yes, so that will be up. And then we will also, I think I'm bringing back $5 Friday this week after forever. I kind of put that one on hold for a little bit as the last like few months. Honestly, this summer's been a blur to me. Like, it's just been a blur. It's gone by so fast, and I feel like the last like month and a half has just been chaotic. It's been so crazy and chaotic. In my personal life, the shop's been great. The shop's been my like happy place where I get to come in and just like enjoy myself and just be in here and do my thing and just you know, like it's been so nice having like somewhere like my little office. I get to come in here. It makes me happy. And I love it. I love being in here, and gotta come in, do my thing, get my work done. I don't have to worry about like all the things going on outside of work with regards to housing and all that living spaces, housing, and like just different stuff, you know? So yeah, it's been very nice to be able to come in here and have this little place that I get to like do what I love to do and just focus on something else and focus on something fun and creative. And yes, it's work and it's hard work, but I really enjoy it. So it's been really like a blessing to be able to come in here every day and just like do my thing, you know? Because I've never had that before. I've always worked from home. Everywhere I lived, I've worked from home. So I've never had the separation between like work and home. So whenever we would move, it was a huge deal because literally my entire life is just completely uprooted. I don't have like an office to go to every day that's still the same and normal and like helps me adjust to it. It's just like my living place is different. I've never had that. So it's literally always been, I mean, when I went to school, I guess it was kind of like that. But as an adult though, yeah. So it's been really, really nice to have an office that's my familiar space to come to every day that I get to work at and do my thing and live my life, and it's great. I love it. And I don't know how I went off on that tangent either, but so yeah, so this Friday we'll have the Planner Girl collab restock. We'll have the $5 Friday. Oh, that's why, because $5 Friday's been crazy. That's why we put on pots, but it's back right now. And then, well, this Friday we'll be back. And then we will have a Halloween kit coming out on Friday. I have Halloween's kit scheduled to come out this Friday, and I think one next Friday. I also have another kit, a new photo kit coming out next Friday, and I thought something else too. I don't have my calendar in front of me, so I'm not entirely sure. But I do know that there's a Halloween kit coming out this Friday, and one probably coming out next Friday, and also a another photo kit coming out next Friday, and it's really, really pretty. It's really gorgeous. So those are the plans for the restocks and releases. It only took me a whole 8 minutes to get there, but we got there. And I filmed a vlog type video, not this last Saturday, but the Saturday before, and I was trying to upload it to my iMac in the office here to edit it because my laptop and it's a MacBook Air, so it doesn't have much memory on there. I got it more for just so I could like work while I'm traveling, or like if I'm going to be out of town for something, or I'm going to be gone for the weekend, I can set up my computer and get some work done, and just for at home, so I could take it between the office and at home to like design stuff, because I work every night usually. So it just makes it a lot easier, and then I can bring it to the office and airdrop between computers. But anyways, you guys didn't ask that. So I filmed a vlog, and I tried uploading the footage. I did on my phone because it's just easy. I tried uploading the footage to my iMac, but like the files aren't really showing up. They're kind of like corrupted or something. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna try re-airdropping them over to it, but maybe it's because the files were so big. But let me know if that'd be something you guys interested in seeing. I just vlogged like one Saturday. It was one Saturday, it was like I was at the old place getting stuff for the office and bringing stuff over, and then I was working in the office for a little while. I don't remember, and so a bunch of stuff, and I kind of just chit-chatted a lot, but it was like an hour's worth of footage, and that seems a bit excessive to watch. So I don't know. I maybe be able to edit it down if I can get the footage to go over to there, but I had a lot of fun filming it, so I don't know. I think I might try putting it up, but let me know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. I really want to film like a little vlog, like a day in my life, like a typical day at the office, like for as like a shop owner. But I just haven't really got around to doing that, and I forget, and I come in and I'm like so focused on stuff I have to get done, I just don't even think about that. So yeah, but that is something I want to do, and an office tour, because a lot of people ask for that, and I did film one, and I still have the footage on my laptop, I mean on my iMac, but I haven't done anything with it because right after that I think I changed stuff in the office and things were different, and so, and the lighting was really bad in it. That's why the lighting was really bad too. So I had like all of my windows closed. You like couldn't see kind of like where I was in a sense, because, you know, I don't know, I guess it doesn't matter. But I think I closed the windows, and then it was just so dark in here. And I forgot I had lights in here. I didn't turn them on. So it was so dark. I just feel like it looked like I lived, like, work in a dungeon. And it's just hard to see anything. So I want to refilm that. And things have changed now since then. And like the way I store things and like the way I organize things. So I need to film a new one of those. But I also need my office to be clean for that, because I don't want it to be looking crazy. But it's like never clean. So maybe I'll just show my mess. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so I guess that's kind of everything. I feel like this is probably the most annoying video to watch, because it took me 11 minutes to say what could have probably been said in like 3 if I just hadn't kept forgetting. I need to like write things down more often when I'm like in my morning groggy state. So yeah, so that is it, I think. I'm going to be off today to pack a bunch of orders and make a bunch of items for anything that's missing for those orders. And what else am I doing today? Printing, cutting some stuff, packing orders, the same stuff I usually do. Etsy messages and emails, got to catch up on from the weekend. And yeah, so that is everything. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!